classes.
No.
So beautiful.
Bye, auntie.
We'll go now?
Okay. Okay.
Bye.
Bye, Adrita.
Bye
See
to
you.
your
When she
friend.
will come up for art class again?
I'll ask her. Maybe next week we can register.
Yeah. Saturday and Sunday.
We don't need to register again, no? Because you want to register.
No need registration. Only the fees.
Oh.
Bye, Adrita. See you.
Why, there is school next week still?
Yeah. No, Mom.
Because holiday na?
Yeah, it's a holiday.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Huh? So beautiful! Oh my gosh!
This Miley, Madam said. Yeah, yes, Madam said. She will not take Miley.
We're watching movie in the karate class.
Yeah, no.
Yeah, because
Today we're watching
not
movie.
telling me about this.
What is time?
Watching movie.
Because Mylene is always
Nanny,
demanding
today we're
the
watching movie.
salary. Every work
Today
time
we're
is
watching
special.
movie.
Otherwise?
I did not tell her that I already told her everything.
Today we're watching
No need. Yeah, me also no need to go.
I'll ask because how can we drive car inside only? Because I do not sit alone.
Oh, okay. Yeah, you can check actually. Yeah, you ask to sir.
Yeah, that is okay, but
If sir can carry,
yeah, I wanted to take you one. She said she will not take mine, and she will not enjoy.
what time you go?
That I don't know. No, I'm already.
Maybe she will not happy if you will take me. No need to take me. You can ask to sir.
only 2 kids.
No, but I'm already here. Who said it's 12 o'clock? I was standing here only. I was standing for half an hour here.
Yeah. Today we are perfect. We are perfect today.
No, well, you are not perfect. I'm lying.
What?
Today I didn't cry.
See, because you are early. Look, your mommy and baby purple. Eee.
That's why I didn't want to cry. Oh, this one is perfect.
Nice flower. Mommy. Where is your sandals?
Where?
Oh, sorry, I did not take your sandals, Adru. You can.
I can go and I can buy.
No, I mean, you will buy this one, huh?
Yeah, just give her.
I will go.
Where?
Adru, let's go. We need to take your sandal. Oh, you
I
will.
want to buy some plants.
You and mommy wait here. Your mommy wait at the cotton candy. Very good. Naiiwan pa ito eh. Oh my gosh. It's down?
Up.
Thanks.
अभी भी अरेंज कर मिलेंगे तो भी अरेंज कर मिलेंगे क्या मैरिज है लव के देखो भाई मैरिज है जस्ट मैरिज दो बच्चे
Ayoko mag-edit ng video kaya hindi siya ano kaya yung baka may copyright siguro ito ba Sana, ano, nadinig pa yung boses ng hello, naiwan ko yung ano ng alaga ko.
Ano? Bag? Okay, yung bag niya.
At saka, maaga nga kami. Umiiyak siya dati. Let's go.
Okay, bye, ma'am.
Ate na lang. Naiwan sa ka. Excited sa alaga ako, naiwan. Maganda tong building na to. Ang baba is grocery. Ano kaya pagka ano? Tapos ano, ang baba is grocery, tapos maraming mga clinic, maraming office. Almost. May mga ano dito. Dito nag-aaral ang aking alaga. Ang ganda ng paint ng alaga ko ngayon. Kaya naiwan ng bagat sapatos. Ano ba yan? Dito pa sila. I saw them. Ayan sila. Wow! Wow! It's a flower!
I choose the flower one.
Yeah, today you're very, very good girl. That's why you got the flower. And your face is so beautiful, baby. Because I'm so happy to see your butterfly, I forgot your bag and your sandals. See, I coming back to your school. Because Nani is watching too much only to your face. Where mommy gone? Mommy?
None to watch with all to my face. You'll forget everything. And then we'll go to me forgot something.
Yeah. Today me and mommy is so early. You know?
Yeah, Makuya were only 2 kids.
Today almost mommy. Where is mommy? Mommy? Mommy's here.
Mommy wants to buy something.
Yeah. So
Mommy,
nice.
want to buy flower?
The bingka is so nice, na? Yeah. Oh, this very expensive. Which one? 20 dirham? Bingka. No, this one. This one very expensive.
Yeah, it's winter.
Bingka is only 2 dirham. It's nice. You want?
Yeah.
Yeah, this is, I saw this very nice also, but it's 29 dirham. I want to ask the plastic first. Plastic. Adro, we will take one purple. Yeah, it's very expensive. It's so nice. The purple one.
We need a bag and then take the plastic out of the car.
What's there? Wait. You want this, madam?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's too much. Look.
This one good or this one good?
This is fresh than this, but this is too much. Yeah, this is fresh. This one too much already died, but too much flower.
What about this one? This one is looking more better.
Yeah. Yeah. This price also.
Yeah.
Which? Ah, yellow. You know, like yellow. You like this?
Yellow is also nice.
So we will take this one then.
Yeah.
Oh, it's too much already dyed, mommy.
Okay, that's leave this. I think this one.
This one. Ay, ay, ay. We will take this. Wait.
Take the card.
I give you the card, yeah?
Card. Yeah.
We need to pay, na?
Yeah.
One, two, three, purple, three, four, ah, so nice. Sige, kahit maganda hulog, basta makabideo lang. Ha? Adro, baby, give me the card. Adro. Adro, baby, give me the card, baby. I can pay here. One minute, maybe she's taking more. Adhir, I'm here. I'm here. Give me the card. Ah. So, one plastic. So nice. Welcome home. Welcome home. So beautiful.
No.
Oh, wow. Adrelasa. MashaAllah. MashaAllah. Wow.
Ma'am, take one more this one. It's buy two get one offer.
Buy one.
Buy two get one. Take one.
Okay. One pieces.
One piece. One piece.
Okay. Wow, ka-free. Ka-free, maka-free. Which one? Color red. Color red. Okay. Eee. Adri, you have free. Wow. Okay na?
Smile application.
No, we don't. Madam, we don't have answer in application. Plastic? One plastic. So nice.